Hello world! I am getting ready to turn on my laser for the very first time. I'm actually really nervous. I literally told my wife, if you hear screaming, call 911, then come see what's going on, because I may have lost a limb. Seriously. But here's what's going on. So I just turned on the water pump to make sure that all my seals are correct. And as you can tell, I was not wearing my Google Glass earlier because I have to wear my spiffy specs. UV protective lenses so that I don't shoot my eye out. It's the wrong time of the year for that anyway, right? So, how do I look? Okay, so as you can see, well, you can't see. There used to be bubbles. They've all pumped out. There is literally water running through this. I've got my tank over here. I've got distilled water in it and an extra gallon just in case, you know, down the road. Can't hear it going. So, I guess I'm going to do one more quick check and then turn it on. Okay, here we go. I did one last final wire check before I got everything going. And I'm going to get things going right now. Let's see what happens. Make sure we don't have any magic smoke, right? And as you can see, I'm wearing my fancy specs because if I wired something wrong, uh-oh. I also have cardboard underneath the laser. If I did wire something wrong and it turns on, then it will show that it's on and I can quickly flip off. I've moved the on-off switches to the front, making life way easier, but for now, the pot, the potentiometer, I don't know if you can see it way back there. See it right there? That is still not hooked up. And this is just a power test. I'm still gonna run wire and all that stuff. Now, I'm a little worried. Okay. Kind of like an unboxing, but if you mess up, you burn out everything. Here, let's do this. I'm gonna flip this lid up so that I can film over in there if I want to. There's the cooling fan, which I've been told isn't powerful enough, but I've got an idea for that. There's the pot again, the potentiometer, set to 5K. There's the laser's power supply and the big cable that connects it. And then if you look down under here, there's the CNC power supply because they don't run off the same voltages. Whoa! That scared the bejesus out of me. Guess I'll remember not to do that. I'm going to put a lift arm on this so that it lifts up on its own, mount it to the front. Here's my little sensor. If all goes well, only the top light comes on whenever I turn on the laser. If the top light comes on and the active light comes on, I better turn it off. Okay, here I go. Here goes nothing. Let me see what I get. I should hear the air pump. The water pump is quite quiet, and it is still running through the laser as we speak. Okay, here we go. This is CNC, this is laser. So I'm going to do this. I heard the motors jump. Let me see if I can turn them real quick. No, they are stiff, which is a good indicator that I got my wiring right. Yep, I can't move this very easily either. It is very stiff. Of course, I don't want it to move anyway because I don't have my tubes run correctly. Okay, time for the laser. Do a nice shot of that. And 3, 2, 1. So far, so good. Laser's not active. I don't see any scorch marks on the cardboard, meaning that it would be active. The fan in the back definitely kicked on high, and I can hear the air pump in the back. Whoo! I didn't lose an eye or burn out my box or anything. Yay! Another day that I get to live!